I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2010 Land Rover Freelander. So from any screen, we just touch the navigation there. You've got to agree that you're not going to get distracted, and up the top there the menu comes out: destination entry, address, points of interest and postcode. Postcode's the easy, oops, of course I'll just go back there because my big Mars bar fingers clicked the wrong one. So postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston, PR5. Then we need a space, 4JS. Click OK. So if you've only got 2 numbers in your postcode, you need to put a space in the middle. Destination, we have to click destination. Destination is nearby, please check the map. That's it. And the reason it's saying we're sat on the forecourt here, so it's thinking I'm an idiot.